dude's flossing.
What's in here?
Dude's awesome. Doing something different this week, boys. We got a Jeepy in the garage. One Jeepy boy.
We can stand it on that side.
Oh man.
Stop getting angry, dude.
Shoot him again.
Like a motherfucking.
I know, but
Yo, we got that 15 Wrangler in here.
That's the best thing.
No, I know.
This thing's actually pretty good looking, to be
I
honest.
don't want to get them all fucking. Dude, they get real
Definitely.
grimy. Like,
Alright, what are we doing, Mish?
rear bumper with the tire carrier, and if we have time, limb risers.
Man.
But that part kind of freaks me out because it's like the self-tapping screws, and I don't know how to do that because I'm from New York.
New York, eh? You heard it first, boss. Dude, I match his shit. Look at this dude. Well, it's a good thing you got that tire carrier instead of dragging that thing around in the back. Picking up a wheel that's bigger than you.
Come on, you go to the gym.
It goes through the roof.
The water tires, and it's kind of like
This
bigger,
thing sits nice though.
bigger wheels and everything, and I don't want to look like
It's got a good
small
ass stance.
color, you know.
Yeah, this thing's got a.
Something
you
seems
can get
fishy
the
about
shield on
this.
What's up?
We got the rear bumper, the tire carrier right here. This big Larry. Get in there, dog. It's all you. For once, we're not working on 240s.
Yeah, right.
A bunch of other stuff over here. We get a couple boxes, some other stuff. The dog. This.
I should get the rear.
The chairs going on the roof. So did I get them rough countries on here?
Oh yeah.
What size tires are these? 33s? 35s?
35.
35s and some Bajas. Some Mickey T's.
Fucking.
Misha, I'm gonna help you, but let me equip my hammer first.
I don't really feel safe with the black one. What's your name, man? Cam. Misha. That's me. That's me.
Dude, they just meated. Hold on. How do I disequip my hammer? I don't know how to disequip anything. What do I do? Oh, it's X. Yo, Ty, what up, bro?
Fuck off.
Yo, Ty.
Fuck off. That's a car that's called Fuck Off.
Slide my side out.
You're pulling on top.
Oh, hey, look at that. That was easy. Let me get you an easy button, huh?
Is there anything in there?
What do we got for bolts here, Misha? Let's talk about it real quick.
Look at that.
Just in case anyone at home's trying to do this themselves, what are you gonna do?
I have no fucking idea.
So there's one here
I don't even know how to get this off.
and one here. Where's the other ones? Is there one here?
Maybe just take the whole bracket off.
Hey Ty.
Not next year, but the year after.
Hey Ty.
No, not next.
So we got two
Saving of cash.
here. There's two more on the bottom side. It's two bracket, yeah, the bracket boys. And these two boys. That's it. Pretty simple to take this off, I would say, wouldn't you?
Who is this guy?
Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you just say this was pretty easy?
Yeah.
Misha?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now? Taking this bracket
Don't
off?
worry about Devin, the guy that
Yeah.
rode Devin's ass.
Alright. Nice.
Fuck.
It's gonna take a while, man. I'm just realizing it. But once we put it on, it should just be, yeah.
So now do you have to remove this too, or
I'm going to.
you're going to?
I don't
Okay.
think it's gonna clear
Do
the
you have
bottom.
D-rings coming off of that one? Like, do you
I
have
haven't really figured that out yet.
Guess we'll find out. Yeah, see, that's why I said get the breaky boy out. The breaker bar keeps you from breaking yourself.
I've never used one of those.
Yeah. Only you
Doesn't come
you
in
can
handy.
probably use that thing. though.
can prevent breaker bar.
We don't need this extension right now, anyways.
Win, 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 win.
Only you can power for it.
That's me just hitting a button that goes win, win, win,
I've
win.
heard that a million fucking times.
He looks like a thug at that thing.
Yeah.
What's it from?
Korean Russian, bro.
Noise.
Thug.
Okay.
Yo, why you name Daddy Long now? His neck looks mad long in that picture. Not your dick.
Me?
Hold on, don't get on.
Alright. So
Dude, his other game, you took off the
I'm just installing the smittybuilt rear bumper and tire carrier.
He said he was going
Show you guys a little walk around how to do that. But right, Mish?
And it took him 2 months.
So you got to put these little brackets inside. They got little threads in here.
Too lazy to read the instructions, so.
Yeah, so we're making a YouTube video about watching a YouTube video.
If you follow me with this,
Yeah.
What the hell is
has
that?
to go inside here.
So these has to go inside here. Okay, so this bumper's a bitch. We're gonna show you why. So the bracket that goes in here, you have to put 2 bolts, one here and then one there. Having to lift this into place sucks. As I was mentioning, one here, one here. Just gonna tighten these guys down, and then I mean the main part of this is basically done on both sides. So you gotta just swap this on the other side, same thing. Definitely want to make sure when you put the this bumper on, make sure you got 2 strong men to hold it in place while, you know, someone gets those bolts in. It makes it much easier. Next step, you gotta get this big triangle, boy. You slide it onto the little fitting over here.
In a little bit, yeah.
One with the grease fitting on the top. Kind of just gotta make sure you get it in the right way, and should just slide right down. Alright guys, I'm equipping my rusty trusty hammer and just gonna fucking whack this sucker on. Alright, check if that's bottomed out. Dude, boom, see? Just gotta equip your hammer, and then I gotta figure out how to put it away though still. How do I put this away? Oh, it's X. Yo, what up, Ty?
Fuck you.
Now we got third person view. We gotta put those bolts in here. I'll put this away. 1 second you have them, and then the other second they're lost.
This goes over here?
Yep.
Don't forget your locking
Right there.
clip.
Push that down.
They like to jump around like Mexican jumping beans.
I used to be bad for 2 days.
I assume maybe you
What the fuck is that for?
released. Oh, you gotta release
In
the
the box
pin.
end of a
The
rack.
tire carrier, post, install hardware, insert handle into tire carrier, install hardware.
It's that hard to fucking do. That's it. You have to use a box.
Oh,
It's supposed
wait.
to be up or
I
to
think
the
there's
side.
a.
Look. See?
There's a bolt right here.
Oh wow.
You know, you just-
I think. Hold on, we might be missing a bracket to go.
Okay, so I mean, basically this is all together, all in all. Kind of a pain in the ass putting, you know, new stuff on an old frame with a lot of dirt and stuff, but basically once you get this all squared away and you get the handle all working and whatnot,
Yeah, no.
you take this guy,
Twist, right?
bolt it into here. You can adjust the height on it so it sets your tire, which is this guy. That's really it. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, as I mentioned.
That's still like
2 bolts on this side, same on this other side.
It's a little hard, but like it's secure.
Drop this guy on, bash it with a hammer, obviously.
Hang on to the bracket.
Then you just bolt in the lock handle.
And it's not gonna make any noise because of this.
Yep, so you gotta get the lock handle in here, you know. This thing, you just stick it in. Little bracket boy goes in the back. 2 bolts. You can change the handles out, it's pretty cool.
I fuck with this handle.
So, yeah, I mean, other than that,
Like pull up
straightforward
and down.
installation. What do you think, Misha? 1 out of 10 difficulty level?
I think a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's just
6.
really tedious.
And not, you know, clean frame. She's new, so you're gonna give her a little persuasion. So,
Asian persuasion.
hey. Next time you'll see the video. There's gonna be an S14. My hair's all whatever, but I bought an S14 from North Carolina, so it's getting shipped up. So that's gonna be the next video. So whenever that comes out, probably next week. So, all right, guys.
Later.
Until next time, have fun finishing that up. Mount the tire. So, bye bye, Jeep.